In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send an email campaign using Activecampaign, one of the most powerful tools for email marketing and automation. If this is your first time using the platform, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step so you feel confident creating and sending campaigns by the end of this tutorial. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Activecampaign website. Once the homepage loads, look to the upper right corner and click the login button. Here, Activecampaign will ask for your account name. This is not your email or password, but the unique name you chose during sign-up. If you're unsure what it is, check your welcome email from Activecampaign. After entering the account name, click Continue and complete the login process. When you arrive on the dashboard, you'll see a clean layout designed to help you manage your marketing activities. To begin preparing your campaign, go to the top navigation menu and click on Contacts. This section contains all of your subscribers and audience lists. Take a moment to review your contacts, then select the individuals or lists you want to include in your upcoming campaign. Having an organized contact list ensures your message reaches the right people. Once you've selected your audience, it's time to move on to the campaign itself. Look for the option that says Send a Campaign and click on it. You'll now be taken to the campaign selection area. Here you can choose from previous campaigns you've created or explore templates if you want to build something new. If you already have a campaign ready, click. Select a campaign and choose the one you want to send. If not, this is a great opportunity to create a message that fits your goals, whether it's a promotion, newsletter, or announcement. After choosing your campaign, you'll move into the review stage. This is one of the most important parts of the process. Carefully check your subject line, preview text, email content, and your list of recipients. Make sure all links work properly, images display correctly, and your message reads the way you intended. Taking a moment to double check your work helps you avoid mistakes and improves your overall engagement. When everything looks perfect, go ahead and click. Send Activecampaign will process the request and deliver your email directly to your selected contacts. And that's it. Your campaign is officially live. After sending, be sure to return to your dashboard so you can monitor the results. Activecampaign provides detailed insights like open rates, link clicks, and engagement reports. Reviewing these analytics helps you understand what's working and what to adjust in your next campaign. Sending an email campaign with Activecampaign is simple once you learn the steps. With just a bit of practice, you'll be able to create polished, effective campaigns that keep your audience engaged and informed. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.